Compact pickup buyers are fighting in forums about the 2026 Santa Cruz right now. 7 design changes have split the automotive community, and if you're considering this truck, you need to watch this before dealers sell out. Here's what Hyundai actually changed and why it matters. Let's go. Change number 7. The aggressive grille and headlight redesign. The compact pickup market is experiencing remarkable growth, with an expected compound annual growth rate of 8.5% through 2033. One of the common criticisms about earlier Santa Cruz models was the lack of aggressive styling and visual presence. That changes dramatically for 2026. The lifted headlights and completely redesigned grille give the Santa Cruz a tougher, more capable appearance, particularly in the adventure-focused XRT trim package. The XRT trim introduces aggressive wheel designs and daytime running lights, displaying a boxy style compared to the previous sleeker appearance. Some buyers love this stronger aesthetic, while purists who appreciated the original refined look find it too aggressive for a compact truck. Change number 6. The bigger infotainment screen. For all trims, interior refinements represent the most significant changes for 2026. Previously, different trims offered varying infotainment screen sizes, creating inconsistent experiences. Now all trims, including the base SE, come standard with a 12.3-inch infotainment display, combining the infotainment interface and gauge cluster functions seamlessly. This means even budget-conscious buyers get premium technology features. However, this change polarizes the market entirely. Some owners complain the larger screen dominates the cabin, while others praise the consistency and modern feel it brings to every model. All models feature wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration, essential functionality for modern drivers. Change number 5. The return of physical buttons and controls. Hyundai made an incredibly important decision by integrating physical buttons and knobs for volume control and climate management systems throughout the cabin. This move directly counters the industry trend of eliminating tactile controls. Many buyers celebrate this decision, addressing widespread complaints about vehicles relying solely on touchscreen operation. Some tech-forward consumers, however, view these buttons as outdated and prefer pure digital integration. The traditional style shifter remains standard across all 2026 models, and Hyundai wisely avoided switching to rotary shifter knobs. For many drivers, this familiar gear selection method feels intuitive and reliable, yet some modern buyers view the traditional shifter as a step backward compared to newer luxury vehicles. Change number 4. Reduced piano black for increased practicality. Piano black plastic that accumulated dust and fingerprints throughout the earlier cabin has been substantially reduced for 2026. The steering wheel now features Hyundai's newer 4-dot design, replacing the classic logo center entirely. The 4 dots represent Morse code for the letter H, a neat Easter egg for observant owners. These material changes improve practicality and reduce maintenance headaches considerably. Many owners appreciate this practical shift tremendously. However, some traditionalists miss the premium feel that glossy piano black provided, viewing new matte materials as less upscale despite being more practical and durable. Change number 3. The powertrain configurations remain unchanged. Hyundai maintained the proven engine configurations from the previous generation for 2026. The base trims continue offering the same 2.5-liter, naturally aspirated inline 4-cylinder engine, with gasoline direct injection technology producing 191 horsepower and 181 foot-pounds of torque. The turbocharged inline 4-cylinder engine delivers 281 horsepower and 311 foot-pounds of torque with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Both engines support Hyundai's H-Track all-wheel drive system. The turbocharged engine comes standard with all-wheel drive on higher trims, while naturally aspirated models offer it optionally. This consistency polarizes the market significantly among buyers. Fans appreciate proven reliability, while others argue Hyundai missed the opportunity to introduce a hybrid powertrain. The Hyundai Tucson offers hybrid capability, making this omission frustrating for eco-conscious buyers. Change number 2. Aggressive XRT trim transformation. The XRT trim receives exclusive features including aggressive all-terrain tires, plastic trim in wheel wells and doors, and XRT-specific front grille design with unique bumpers. The refreshed front end features distinctive fascia work throughout. The XRT rides on XRT-specific 18-inch wheels that look considerably more rugged than previous years. Surround view monitoring and blind spot cameras assist during technical trail navigation. This dramatic off-road focus alienates buyers seeking refined urban trucks, while adventure seekers embrace the rugged transformation wholeheartedly. The XRT trim at $42,595 brings the turbocharged engine as standard plus all-wheel drive, creating a significant jump from base models. Change number 1. Updated fuel economy and towing metrics. Fuel economy remains competitive for the segment overall. The naturally aspirated engine achieves 22 miles per gallon city and 30 miles per gallon highway. According to EPA estimates, the turbocharged variant achieves 19 miles per gallon city and 27 miles per gallon highway, respectively. Regarding towing and payload capacity, the naturally aspirated engine offers 3,500 pounds, towing with payload ratings reaching 1,753 pounds. The turbocharged variant increases towing to an impressive 5,000 pounds, respectable for the truck's compact dimensions. Tow hooks do not come standard, but are available as optional equipment. This performance polarizes buyers between those seeking efficiency versus those demanding maximum capability. The exterior maintains a practical 4-foot bed alongside a clever under-tailgate storage compartment. The bed provides 27 cubic feet of cargo space for weekend adventures and projects. The intelligent tailgate operates in 2 positions, fully open for extended items or at intermediate height supporting plywood sheets. While smaller than mid-sized truck beds, this configuration accommodates substantial cargo effectively. The 2026 lineup comprises 5 distinct trim levels, starting with the SE base model at approximately $31,000. The SEL trim adds enhanced convenience features, while the SEL activity trim at $34,200 offers roof rails, tonneau cover, and in-bed outlets. The limited trim at approximately $44,945 adds premium finishes and advanced driver assistance features. Hyundai's SmartSense safety suite provides comprehensive protection with lane keeping assist, forward collision avoidance, and rear cross-traffic capabilities across all trims. The 2026 Hyundai Santa Cruz represents a fascinating case study in automotive design choices. Each of these 7 changes represents a deliberate decision that benefits some buyers while challenging others significantly. Whether you embrace these polarizing modifications or resist them depends entirely on what matters most in a compact pickup truck. Subscribe for detailed breakdowns of automotive decisions that matter to your next vehicle purchase.